This course is offered in two versions, Japanese and English. It presents the same content in a clear and easy-to-understand format for each language. Illustrations are created using ChatGPT, and the narration is provided in Thai, Japanese, and English using Clipchamp. The course is scheduled for completion in December 2025. Goal of this Thai course. This course aims to help you speak Thai at the CEFR A1 level. It is designed to help you build a solid foundation in everyday conversations. What is CEFR? CEFR is a framework for assessing language proficiency used in Europe. It can also be applied to Thai language learning and is divided into 6 levels from A1 to C2. Overview of CEFR levels. CEFR is divided into 6 levels, from A1 to C2. A1 is the beginner level, while C2 indicates near-native fluency. This course focuses on helping learners achieve A1 level. A1 is the first level for learning Thai, with the goal of being able to use basic expressions. What is A1 level? At the A1 level, learners can understand and use common words and basic expressions. With slow and clear speech, they can engage in simple conversations and introduce themselves. What you can do at A1 level. This slide introduces what learners can do at the A1 level in practical situations. You can greet others with phrases like hello and goodbye. You can introduce yourself, including your name, hometown where you live, and your job. You can ask and answer simple questions such as how much and where. You can handle basic shopping tasks like asking for prices and making payments. At restaurants, you can place an order, for example, by saying, "I'd like a khao soi, please." You can understand the content of a conversation if the other person speaks slowly. Key takeaways. It's okay if you need people to speak slowly. Learn useful expressions little by little and enjoy the process. Once you master the basics, you'll gain the confidence to speak. Thank you for watching.
เรียนภาษาไทยกันเถอะ
This Thai phrase means let's learn Thai together. Let's continue learning Thai together and have fun along the way.